Hello, it's Bud. Let's talk about text arcing. Okay, let's talk about the arcing. Let's presume that we have some parameters here. We've got some sort of pattern with an outer boundary and we'll just put another one in here. Let's say we've got something like this we want to deal with. Those are our boundaries, and we want something in this section in between the two boundaries. So let's get our text tool and let's click here. Maybe that's where we want it. And we're going to put this is a test, and I'm not going to put any period on it. Spacing wise, I like to have at least a 12. Some people like more than that, but a 12 works good. And let's just, we'll make it center line. We could be rast or whatever, but let's do center line. And there is what we have and the size it is right now. Now if the size is okay, I'm going to position it up and down between those two things where I want it. I could lock it, and right now it's 3/4 of an inch high. If I make it say 8.5 or 0.85, it'll make it just a little bit larger. And if I move it up just a hair maybe, and we'll see how that works. It looks like it's spaced evenly up and down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click over here on the carving list. I could double click on this and bring up my edit, but I can do it quicker over here. Right click and come down to edit, and I want to make an arc. I can go up and down with the elevator a little at a time, but let's try a 90. 90 is too much. Okay. How about a 130? Oh, didn't want to do that. That was my mistake. What I want to do is highlight this and do 130. Still not enough. Right click, edit, highlight this, and let's go with a 120. Still not enough. Edit. Let's try a 110. Is it not taking it? Not moving enough, is it? Right click, edit. It's a 110. I want to say OK just to see, make sure. OK. Right click, edit, 100. It's not bad. So let's try again. Okay, I had 100 for this top part, So if I highlight this and do a minus 100, move it up here, well, that one's not going to work quite the same. Say a minus 10, 110. And it's just a matter of spacing, getting to where I want it. Let's try a 115. Okay. So now, these are done with the 90-degree bit. I like the 60-degree bit better. So I'm going to change those to 60-degree. And there we have it. And if these were carved lines or cut lines, let's just keep everything 60-degree, and just to see what it looks like here. Not bad. I might space this one just a little bit different. That's pretty good. That is how you can use text arcing. Just play with it, but the way I change the arcing will take a lot of confusion out of it, because you get it placed where you want it, you get it sized height-wise, and then you play with the arcing. And I think that will work better. I hope that helps.